Welcome to another edition of the Just Smell So Good Nation. I'm your host. It's some wonderful things that you can do for your employer if you want to keep a job, right? Help them promote with their business. If you are with them, help them promote. Tell them that you're helping them promote. They could give you another raise. They can give you another promotion. They can help you go along in your career. Some of you this year will become entrepreneurs for one reason or another. A loss of job, a loss of opportunity, more flexibility that you have seen through this COVID virus situation and what's going on in the world today. But place a great opportunity in your mind to market your business and help others and business owners along the way. Welcome to the Just Smell So Good Nation. Peace.